Olá pessoal, tudo bom com vocês? Espero que sim. In today's video we're going to be making pizza.
Woohoo! Portuguese pizza.
Portuguese. Well, it's called Portuguese, but it's very famous in Brazil. So, let's say it's Friday night, like today. Today's Friday afternoon. You have your kids home, you don't want to have takeout, but you want to have something delicious. This is the idea for you. You're going to be making Portuguese pizza. Let's begin with the sauce. But before we begin, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. For the tomato sauce, we have tomatoes, obviously, onions, garlic, ketchup, mustard, butter, tomato sauce, parsley, saffron, and olive oil. Those are the ingredients.
Lucirola sauce. Is it?
Yeah, it's my sauce. My sauce and the supermarket sauce. We work together, but it's really famous.
Yeah,
People like
it is really delicious.
We're going to begin with the butter. Let's melt the butter. And I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil. Then add mixed as much as you want of onions. I like a lot, so mix it a lot. The smell is beautiful. Garlic. Cook it until brown.
It smells so good.
The smell is
wonderful.
I wish you could smell it. Now let's add the tomato. And stir it a little bit. Because the other ingredients are very salty, I'm not going to add salt to the sauce. But if you want this sauce for pasta, for instance, then you add a little bit of salt, as much as you like. Then I'm going to add a little bit of saffron. Ketchup, where's my spoon? Here. Ketchup, mustard,
Parsley and green onion, right?
mm-hmm. Parsley.
Love it. Yeah, lots of it.
Parsley.
Oh, they are delicious.
Let me wash my hands. I'm going to give you 2 minutes. It's been sitting here for a while. Look how beautiful it is. And I'm going to smash the tomatoes a little bit.
Gosh, it smells so good.
It smells great. Now, I forgot to mention the oregano. So a little bit of it, as much as you want, if you like it. If you don't like it, it's not a problem. little bit more of industrialized tomato sauce. I don't really care about the brand. You can use your favorite brand. Mix them together. And I'm going to add just a little bit of water, not much. I have tried the sauce and to my taste it's a little bit too acid. So I'm going to add 2 pinches of sugar. But the smell is fantastic. So humble. So this is the fun part. It's when we assemble the pizza. We can call the kids and have some fun. Let's begin. The ingredients are tomato sauce, the pizza dough, obviously, peas, corn, sliced eggs, olives, heart of palms, sliced onions, ham, cheese, and oregano. So here I have a baking pan greased with butter and flour. I chose this pizza dough that I like. You can choose any one of your choice, of your preference. I chose the small ones so that we can cook it faster, and I think it will look pretty as well. So let's begin with the sauce. It's very easy, it's just assembling. I have my oven preheated to 180 degrees Celsius, and the important thing here is to start with the sauce, obviously, and finish with the cheese. But the order doesn't really matter. It's up to you and your family. So let's begin with the sauce. Bit of peas, and obviously if you don't like 1 or 2 of the ingredients, you can not use them. You can use also fried bacon. It's really good, makes it really tasty. It's a pie, it's not a pizza. Look how much we have.
Cheese?
No. Eggs. One or 2?
I think 1 is okay.
One is good, right?
Yeah.
Cheese.
The onion.
The onion. I let these onions sitting in water for a while, so it's not so acid. For 10 or 15 minutes.
Oh my gosh, it smells so good.
It smells great. It smells great. And I don't have much of the ability I believe that you're gonna have better ability than me, and yours is going to be even better. But it tastes good.
Yeah. Then the cheese.
No.
Pick the cheese.
Oh yeah. It's
Yeah,
just
the
that
cheese.
I don't like all of this. So I can't. Mine is not going to have all of this. Do you like all of this? Write in the comment section for me. I absolutely hate it.
I love onions.
Ugh. I don't understand how people can like it. Whole lot of cheese. You know, cooking is my hobby. I really love cooking, but my ability is improving. I say it like that, right? It's getting better. So if you don't have much practice, don't feel discouraged. Cook with me. I think it's enough, right?
Yeah.
It's
Then olives and
How many olives
oregano.
do you want?
Put 2
Two?
in each, please.
Blah.
That's delicious.
You. Here, 2. 2. And okay, that's it.
Oregano.
Oh, right. Almost done. Almost done. Little bit of oregano. A little bit of oregano. Here. And here. Now it's done, right?
Yeah.
How does it look?
I'm anxious.
It doesn't look.
I'm hungry.
No, it doesn't look beautiful. But I'm sure it's tasty.
Yeah.
Let's hope it's tasty. So this is the final result. What do you think?
Goodness.
My pizza. A little bit stuck. It's too much cheese. Okay. Oh, look at that. Beautiful, huh? I'm watering.
I am too.
Tell me if you have the habit of eating pizza with your hands or with a fork and a knife. I can't eat pizza without a fork and a knife.
Yeah, me neither.
So, let's see. Crunchy, right?
Mm-hmm.
Really crunchy.
Oh gosh, the cheese.
This is good. This is heaven.
I'm hungry.
Try it at home. I'm sure you're going to like it. It's definitely my favorite kind of pizza. So good. So thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much, and I see you next time.
Bye bye. Thanks.